Hello, everybody, and welcome to a 5-minute PD with yours truly, Sarah. So today we will personalize your banners and buttons on Canvas and link them to different areas in your Canvas. All right, so I am working just here in PowerPoint. You can use Google Slides or Google Drawings to create your own buttons and banners. But here I have some preloaded fonts in here that I used, and so I created my banner and different buttons. For my buttons, what I did was I just used the text box feature and I changed the fill on it and typed in what I wanted it to say. So you can be really flexible with what you want to call your buttons. That's up to you how you're having your students navigate around on their Canvas. So I'm going to just change that to projects, and then I'm going to just change the fill, show you what that looks like. Make that purple. And now I have 6 buttons that students can use to navigate to their modules, resources, videos, a Google Meet link maybe, practice, and projects. Okay, so once I've created all of them, what I would do is I'm going to use the snipping tool, and I would snip my button and then save it. Okay, so I've already done it, it's saved, and I am good to go to upload these to Canvas. Okay, so now we're going to go over to Canvas, and here I'm in my sandbox where I can play around and practice. I'm going to delete what's there, and I'm going to go to this box here that says images and upload an image. Choose my file. I'll go to where I put my banners, and I'm going to select them and upload. Over here, you can type in what it says, welcome to, and then upload it. And then I always want to make sure to center it. So highlight, center, and then you can click down below and we can start working on our buttons. So with the button feature, I like to use the table so that they're evenly spaced. So I'll make a 3x2, and inside the first one, I will start uploading my images into it. So choose file, enter it, next one, I'm gonna hope it's there, choose file. Okay, and I'm just going to repeat that process until I've completed all of them. I'm going to just do this last one and then we'll move on. Okay. Okay. For each one, I want to make sure they're centered in their box, just like that. And then now we have a little bit of a problem. Do I want this grid around my buttons? I do not. So I'm going to highlight the grid, and I'm going to go over to my table properties, and on width, I'm going to make it a 0, and on border, I'm going to make it a 0, and then the alignment for the whole grid centered. Clicking OK. All right, we're just going to visually see it so that you can see what we've done here. We have our banner and we have our buttons. Now what we want to do is we want to link those buttons to different areas in our on our Canvas. So we could link them to any of these. Let's go ahead and go back to edit. And then in edit, we're going to go to the button. So here I'd click my button, I'd go to modules, and I can link it to that week's modules. Click it, and then we could hit save. I can go to each one. Here's my resources, my videos that I've added to my modules. Okay, and then hit save. There's other features here that you can link it to, but for these ones, I just made different modules for each one as kind of a cache for all the different areas that they might need to go to. So I'm going to click save, and now what students will be able to see is if I click modules, it'll take them straight to modules. Resources, it'll take them straight to resources, and videos will take them straight to videos, and that way the navigating is a little easier for students. All right, so that is the end of creating and personalizing your banners and buttons. If you have more questions about how to do that, please reach me at my email. I will leave it in the link below, and have a wonderful day. Thanks for joining us on our 5-minute PD.